Are you ready? So first we're going to tiptoe around, okay? So it'll be really quiet. You're going to tiptoe. You're going to jump. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's go. Let's go. Go on in. Quiet. Shh. Remember to grab your treasure as you go around. So Archie, now you grab your treasure. Archie, don't forget your treasure. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. There we go. And then back to begin, Arch. And then you come back round. Shh. Quietly. Try and get all the treasure we can. Quietly. Right, we can tiptoe if we really want. Might have to be really slow as well. The dragon's awake! Back to the beginning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the beginning. 1. Are we all safe? Oh, I think we're all safe. We'll just have to try around.